Kyndra, and this is my kitchen. I am a huge fan of anything fast, as most people probably are. So when I can come up with a delicious recipe that's also very quick and easy, I feel like I won the lottery. So this cranberry spice holiday chicken is a one-pan recipe that takes like 15 minutes to assemble, 20 minutes in the oven, and you're good to go. Not to mention it's so pretty and very festive, just in time for the holidays. I will show you just how to accomplish this delicious chicken recipe in under 30 minutes. And if you're not sick of me yet, don't forget to go over to my Instagram at Kyndra's Kitchen and follow me because I am celebrating the 25 days of Kinmas with a new picture, video, recipe, you name it, every single day until Christmas. Begin your cranberry spice holiday chicken by marinating your cranberries with brown sugar and balsamic vinegar. Let those sit while you pan fry your chicken. Melt butter and olive oil over medium-high heat in a large skillet. Once hot, place your chicken breasts on the skillet and season with salt and herbs. Let your chicken cook until golden brown. Then flip over and let the other side get nice and brown also. Once you're happy with the color, go ahead and remove the breasts from the skillet and add the potatoes, coconut aminos, chicken broth, maple syrup, and orange juice to deglaze the pan. Add your chicken back into the pan along with garlic, cinnamon sticks, the fresh cranberries from earlier, and some fresh thyme. Bake at 450 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes until the chicken is done and golden brown. I hope you enjoy my quick holiday chicken recipe as much as I did. Thanks for watching! As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed learning how to make my cranberry spice holiday chicken, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never ever miss another Kyndra's Kitchen. And as always, the recipe for my cranberry spice holiday chicken will be linked in the description box below if you want to make it.